In this video, I will introduce new web browser for high-speed browsing. Search Microsoft Edge and click top search result. New Microsoft Edge, brand new web browser for free. With high speed, world-class performance. You get it all with the new Microsoft Edge. Performance, compatibility, and speed. To make browsing the web even more effortless. More privacy and control. The new Microsoft Edge has built-in features designed to give you more control over your data and to protect your privacy online. More productivity. The new Microsoft Edge comes complete with features designed to customize your browsing experience and to make you more productive. More value. When you give with Bing through Microsoft Rewards, your searches will earn points that are automatically donated to the cause of your choice. Click to download. I will open Microsoft Edge. It is really very fast. I will show its RAM usage. You can see it is using less memory. Thank you very much for watching. We are providing many simple tutorials. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Never miss another update. Have a nice day.